Hello Jupiter, hello William, this is Daddy and Shmael. We're in the shipyard. If you look down there, you see a ship. It's gray and it's red and yellow in the top. That is a drill ship, and it's in the dry dock. It's going to look exactly like this big blue ship with the red line on the bottom that has the yellow top when they're finished building it. But you can see that one right there looks a lot like this one, but it's not finished. And the place it's sitting is called the dry dock. And the dry dock is empty of water. You can see it sitting on the ground. And when they are finished with the ship's hull, then they will fill the dry dock up with water. They'll open that gate that says number 2 dock, and the ship will float out. And when it's finished, it'll look like the big blue one right here. Okay? So we're up here on top of Daddy's ship. We can see all around the shipyard. And there's ships all around us of all kinds that they're working on. This ship right here, we're looking at is a LNG. Next to it, the West Tellus is a drill ship for sea drill. And then the Evergreen ship is a container ship. It will hold many, many boxes of containers. So now we're going to go upstairs and see what we can see up there. Now we are looking out at the back of Daddy's boat. And behind Daddy's boat are a bunch of drill ships. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 drill ships. You see in the back of Daddy's boat, you see 4 square plastic covered boxes. Those are the tops of the power generators. They're big jet engines that make the power for the ship. Okay? There goes Feinson. There's Shmael. Now, up here at the top, see this big space right here is the helideck. This is where the helicopters will land. So when the ship is in the middle of the ocean, to take people on and off, they fly a helicopter onto the helideck right here. And this is where the people sit to talk to the helicopter driver. This is the mast with the antennas on it for the communications. You can see all around Korea, the island in Korea. And over there is the city of Jampyeong and Goyan, where all the shipyard workers live. And that is Daddy's office building way over in the distance by the hill. That's where Daddy always shows you out when the computer is on the Skype. The office building right over there. We can maybe zoom in on it. That's Daddy's office right there in the middle of the picture, right in the middle. Now, if we go over to this side, we can see a bow of a ship. Do you see the bow? That's the front of a ship, and then that right next to it is the stern. So that's the stern, the back of a boat, and that's the bow. And that's some other pieces of the same ship. And they'll put those pieces in the dry dock, and they'll weld them all together and make a bigger ship. And then beyond that is a shuttle tanker, a TK shuttle tanker that moves oil from an FPSO onto land. And then there's 2 big LNG carriers there in the background. And then another LNG carrier there just over the top of the helideck. Okay? So remember yesterday when we were walking out to the ship, we showed you the big floating green dock? That is right here. That's a floating dry dock. So it's actually a ship, but they can put another ship inside and work on it. Here we are in the spring, looking out at the sunshine. And there in the distance you can see a bunch of barge cranes. Those pick up as much as 10,000 tons and carry it and put pieces onto the ship. And here you have some men working. There you have some people working. There's Shabelle. Okay, Jupiter and William, this is Daddy. See you later. Bye-bye.